Hello guys, good morning! All the way from LA, California. So nandito ako ngayon sa labas. And I just want to walk around because I just want to feel being residents. Resident na ako ng LA, guys. Guys, I saw a bird, lots of bird. Ang daming kalapati. Guys, see a lot of bird. Prokotok. Na-miss ko yung mga kalapati ko. Guys. Na-miss ko lang yung kalapati ko. Sobrang. Dito, lakad-lakad lang tayo tapos hinahanap ko yung mall. 10 AM pa yung mall. Pero ang sarap maglakad kasi malamig. Malamig sa akin. Time check, it's already 8:30. Yan. So, sabi, alas 10 pa nagbubukas yung mall. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano pumunta sa mall. Pero kailangan ko bumili ng sapatos eh. Gagamitin ko sa work. Let's see. Hey guys.
Hey, hello.
Hello. Where are you from?
Filipino?
Yeah.
You Filipino?
Yes.
So, give me the address. What is the address?
Westfield.
Put the address.
Yeah. Oh, this is my first time here, so sorry.
No problem. No problem.
Culver City.
Because
Yeah.
the bus no good. The bus doesn't go over there.
Oh, thank you so much. So we are here at Big Blue Bus, but there is no bus coming. Yeah. What's your name, sir?
Santiago.
Santiago.
I'm
Yeah.
the Uber driver.
You're Uber
Uber
driver.
But
Yeah.
now cash, okay, no problem. Because
Thank you so much.
Company no good, no.
Yeah. So guys, we are here and now we're going to
Yeah.
Westfield.
You from Manila or Cebu?
From Manila.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Mamacita there, huh? Your
Mamacita.
family, only you here?
I'm only here because
Why,
I'm
amigo?
because I need to work for my family. I'm still young, but I need to work hard.
Oh, I know. What kind of job you have?
I don't have yet assignment, but I joining to Carnival
Oh, which one?
Panorama.
Panorama City?
Yeah, in Long Beach.
Oh, Long Beach. Oh, yeah. The big event, huh?
Yeah, we're going to Long Beach this 16. So I have 4 days here in.
I give you my phone number in case
uh,
when next time to
Yeah,
To
I would like to go to Hollywood.
today.
Not today because I need to buy a SIM card. I need.
Oh, well, you are you going to the cell phones company? Yeah.
Yeah, for I don't have SIM card.
No, I can help you. We can go to the place, fix your phone,
Yeah.
and then wherever you want to go.
But I need to budget my money because we not yet get salary.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Nothing easy, amigo. Here,
Yeah.
everything expensive.
Yeah.
Horrible.
Thank
Horrible
you.
time. What's the hotel are you?
Hilton.
Is your wife? Your wife? Hey,
No.
say hello.
No, there's no wife. It's a video.
Oh,
It's a video.
oh.
I'm young.
I
I'm
was think-
yeah.
I was thinking your family looking for you.
No. I take a video, a documentation.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
Scare you, yeah? Sometimes scare.
Hello guys. So nandito ako sa Westfield din kasama ko yung driver ng Uber. And I need to buy a SIM card. Then guys, actually after nito kinontrata niya ako na $50 going to Hollywood. So let's see. $50. I'm just thinking of
You can ask him.
yeah. Hello.
Do you have SIM card?
SIM card? Kaso ang bilis naman ito ni Kuya. Shoes. So pwede ko ito balikan bukas. Sinek ko rin kung magkano ang going to Hollywood. It costs $40. So eto, kung makatipid ako, $20 here. It's going to Hollywood. Natakbo siya, nagmamadali. Siguro fascinating yung bayad. Pero, pagdating. Do you have SIM card here? Yeah, exactly. Hey guys, it's your vlogger boy, Kuya RR. So by the way, nandito na nga pala tayo ngayon sa LA, California. And by the way, this is my day 1. And do you know, we gonna stay here for 4 days sa Hilton. Dito lang naman sa LA, you know, LA. And this is the day 1 na hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Pero ang unang hinanap ko talaga ay SIM card. Kung nakita nyo nga talaga sa video, is naghanap ako ng SIM card. At na-realize ko, ang cellphone ko nga pala ay hindi pwedeng gamitin sa international. Kawawa. Kaya ngayon, si Manong Driver ay nag-offer sa akin kung saan daw ako pupunta. At sabi ko naman, gusto ko pumunta ng Hollywood. At yun na nga, sabi ni Manong Driver, ako ang bahala. Basta magbayad lang daw ako. Kaya ngayon guys, samahan nyo ako sa day 1 kong ito. Let's go! Alright guys, officially we are here at the Hollywood. Did you see the stars? The stars. And now I need to walk and find something to drink. I enjoyed the travel. Grabe, nag-enjoy ako. Tapos, sobrang bait pa ni Kuya. It's recommended. See? Oh, ala. Sumali. See? Oh. Here's the Hollywood, guys. Yeah. Pero ang hahanapin ko muna dito is try ko makabili ng SIM card. Once makabili ako ng SIM card, so pwede na ako makapag-internet, makahanap ng Hollywood Boulevard. So guys, we're walking the pedestrian lane here at LA. So, museo. So, guys, I need to take picture with the sign. Pagpipicture lang ako para katunayan na nakapunta natin sa Hollywood. I saw some. The big sign. At the is the Mariah Carey, Michael Bublé, okay, her son. Yeah. This is it, the stars. So nice. I need to go. Guys, ngayon naghahanap tayo kung saan tayo bibili ng eto souvenir. Let's check. Oh, shirts. And souvenir. Nice. Kukolekta tayo dito from LA. Okay, I buy a souvenir. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.